Hey guys, how you doing? This is Rob with Rob Thomas Reviews. Today we want to find out if you need to spend $1,000 on HexClad pans or is there a cheaper alternative that might just do the trick. So what we have in front of you today is SnowClad. These are pans from Amazon. I'll move a little closer so you can see their logo on there. These pans I bought from Amazon about a month ago, and I wanted to do a review to see if these are just as good as HexClad. I have used HexClad in the past. My sister owns a full set, which she spent almost $2,000 on. And I'm going to tell you right now, for this set of, what is it, 9-piece set, you get the big broiler, a medium-sized pan, 2 other pans, and then a little fry pan. You get 4 lids, and then this also fits on this one. This set was $150, guys, compared to, for this same set would be at least $500 or $600 from HexClad. So let's kind of go over what some of the differences are. Honestly, to be honest with you, these are just as heavy as HexClad, almost the same weight. They have a good quality where the screws go through. It's very heavy duty, durable. I can't really tell the difference in the feel of this and HexClad. HexClad could be a tiny bit thicker or heavier, but these feel really good. They do have this etched design on the back of it and on the inside. HexClad also has the same thing. HexClad does have a little bit different pattern. But honestly, they're basically the same pans. I've been cooking with both. Like I said, I've been using these for about a month or so, and they are just as good as HexClad, in my opinion. The only thing that I don't love about these pans compared to HexClad is they do have the logo on the front, which doesn't really bother me too much, but HexClad doesn't have that. They have a little more cleaner, professional look. But these pans clean just as easy as HexClad. They're very easy to clean. Once you cook in it, let it cool down for a little bit. I put some hot water in it at the sink and some dish soap, and anything that's burning there comes off super easy. These pans, as well as HexClad, are very hard to get anything burned on here that won't come off. So, do you need to have HexClad pans? If you've got a $5 million house and you want the best of the best, something that everybody knows, that you've seen Gordan cook on Hell's Kitchen and shows like that, then HexClad is probably for you. But if you're like me, you got a little apartment that's $2,000, you like quality products, but you don't have a ton of money to be wasted on super expensive things that you don't need, these are perfectly fine. These are great for everyday use. These are perfect for gifts. These make incredible gifts for mom or dad for Christmas, first-time homeowners, kids got a new apartment after they graduate. This makes a perfect set. You can buy different size sets on Amazon, as well as HexClad. But I'm going to tell you, if you go on to Amazon after this and check the prices, you're going to be surprised how expensive HexClad is. And like I said, HexClad is great. I haven't had any problems with either one of them. These pans are super non-stick. I would just stay away from using metal on them. I don't know how metal's going to interact with the edge surface. But I'm super happy with these. I couldn't be more happy. I'm glad that for my new apartment, that I just spent $150 on these instead of spending $600 on the HexClad pans. But let me know in the comments below if you tried HexClad, if you tried any other alternatives, what you think, if you tried these yet. If not, I'm going to put a link in the description below. You can go to Amazon and check those out. I am an Amazon affiliate. Amazon is not paying me to talk about these pans, but if you do click on the link, I get a couple %. So if you're thinking about buying them, click on the link, check them out. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe if you found any value from this video. Like, leave a comment. Any questions you guys have, please feel free to ask. I can answer questions about the HexClad as well. And if you want to see some actual pictures of those, I can go to my sister's house and take some pictures and show you exactly what those look like compared to these. But as you can tell here, these are very sturdy pans. You're really gonna like them. So once again, guys, thank you so much for watching. This is Rob with Rob Thomas Reviews. Please subscribe to help my channel grow. Thank you so much, guys.